Our CRM has a lot of reporting built into it, and a lot of good reporting stems from having good data. So as long as you're entering in the right data, you're going to have some really good insights into your business. One of those is where your services are coming from. So all of the services for your business, for example, take this page here. This is demo data from an auto shop. So, for example, accessories and parts, car wraps, engine cleaning, detailing, headlight restoration, ceramic coating, chip fix, paint correction. These are all different services that are offered. Tinting, windshield replacement, and these stats show exactly where these customers are coming from. So, for example, the car cleaning, detailing, most of them coming from website, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook ads, Google, Kijiji ads, which is a classified site, phone calls, referrals. Depending wherever they're coming from, you'll be able to see, and you can choose start date and end date. In this case, it's for the month of October, which we're halfway through. But basically, the services report will tell you where certain things are coming from, certain services, like where those customers are coming from, so you can put more advertising money into those sources if it's working well. For example, in this case, tinting, more of them are coming from Facebook Marketplace, and then some are coming from the website. So if you compare that to detailing, most of them are coming from the website directly, and then Marketplace is second. So this can really give you some good insights into where your customers are coming from, so you can distribute your advertising dollars appropriately, right? Now, how does the system calculate this information? Well, it has a list of all your services, of course. So you've put those into the system because those are the services that you're booking jobs for. But then when it comes to where people are coming from, either by adding leads or by clients. So for example, if we go and add a new client, I'll just click on client here real quick, and then we'll click add new client. Under when you add a new client, oops, sorry, did that backwards. So if you're adding a lead, you're going to be able to, here we go. You're going to be able to, when you're putting in their information, everything like that, you're talking to them on the phone, you say, oh, well, what are you interested in first off? So we'll, detailing, let's say, oh, and where did you come from? Oh, I found you on a Facebook ad. Okay, great. So under lead source, select Facebook ad and then click save. Okay. Once you've done that now, that's going to show up in the services report. That's going to show up here, right? And so that's going to basically take you to this page, or compile the data so that when you're on this page, it's going to show you calculations of where people came from based on the sources that you put them in. And so it's really good practice to get into to start asking people where they came from. Once you start asking them that, you're going to get a better insight into your business long term of which advertising is working and which advertising is not. See, because you might not have thought of it before, or maybe you're already doing it. If you're doing it, great, but if you haven't thought of it before, start asking people. They're going to tell you. They'll tell you how they found you. They're excited to work with you, and they're going to tell you, oh, I found you here, I found you there. Sometimes you'll just know. If you're talking to someone on live chat, you're going to know, okay, it was live chat, so that's what I need to select, right? But there is a way where with clients, for example, here I'm on the client page, add client. So under here, when it's a brand new client, you'll be able to do initial service interest and select it, and then choose where they came from. So let's say like live chat, for example. So they're interested in detailing, came from live chat. So that's when you're creating a new client. So if you go clients, add client, and then here you're going to see those two boxes, and you want to fill those in, right? But then the other way is, like I showed you before, when you click add lead, and then through here you'll be able to select here, detailing, and then choose lead source where they came from. So there's two ways to do that, depending on your current setup. Some people like to put in leads first. Other people just put in clients. Putting in leads is good practice because then you can actually mark off if you won the lead. So like, look, there's different states. So hot, warm, and cold. It's a cold lead. It's a hot lead, like it's new, things like that. That way you can filter them out in the list. But then once you win the sale, you can do one sale, and then that'll convert this lead into a customer. Or if you lost the sale, you didn't close them, you say, okay, lost sale, and then it'll minus it. And that's going to help with your statistics on the front end, where you go here and scroll down, and then you have lead and prospect statistics. It's going to show how many leads were added this year, this quarter, in the last 30 days, how many deals you won, how many deals you lost. So it can really help with your sales funnel. Absolutely. So there's a few ways to add that, and then you can use those great reports that are going to show you exactly how many businesses you got from different places.